Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Debbie from Project39 Mini Albums. This is my July recap and August goal setting video. This collab is hosted by Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. Check out the other goal getters listed below in the description box. For those new to my channel, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. In 2015, we prepared to sell the house and get an RV. I was really prescriptive in what I wanted to do. I had a very detailed list on things that needed to be accomplished. You know, financial goals, goals with the house, goals with getting rid of stuff, goals for buying the RV. And that sort of got me into the goal setting spirit. Once we became full-time, then I carried over that goal setting to my crafty goals. So most of my goals are about my paper crafting. I have such a passion for it, and I love to share what I do, love to show people how to do it, and I also love to get rid of all the paper that I've saved so I can make mini albums and cards and whatever during my travels. I started with about 60 paper pads, and I think I'm down to close to 32, 33. So I am getting there. So without further ado, I'll take you through my July goals and what I accomplished for July, and then we'll go right into my August goal setting, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching.
So here are my goals. My first goal was to use up one Christmas paper pad. And luckily I didn't only use one Christmas paper pad. I had 3 sets. Some of them I had 2 paper pads for the set. If you'd like, at the end of the video, I'll show you some of the projects I made with the paper pads. And while I did use up a lot of paper, I didn't use any of my embellishments. My embellishments were red and green for the most part, and you'll notice most of my paper pads were non-traditional colors. So I still have those embellishments to use up for Christmas. So goal number 2 was to make 2 mini album tutorials. I started a series of mini album tutorials. The series starts with making the cover and the binding system and the base pages, and then each tutorial after that is one type of addition for the base pages. So it's sort of a mix and match. I did complete 2 of the tutorials that I had hoped to complete. Another goal that I set for myself is to post on Instagram twice a week. And I've been doing pretty good about that. I realize it's sort of fun. So I have posted on Instagram 12 times so far this month. I'd love if you follow me on Instagram. My handle is Project39 Design, so go ahead and check that out. Another one of my social media goals was to make 8 YouTubes a month, and I actually made 10. I was able to do that. The problem is I never knew if I was going to have consistent internet connection, and so we've gotten better about that. So I will continue to try to post a lot on YouTube. Alright, so now I'm going to set my goals for August. What I'd like to do is complete 2 more mini album tutorials. I'd like to post 15 times on Instagram and up my YouTube videos to 10. I'd also like to use up 3 paper pads and make at least 25 cards. I'd like to make folios for gifts. My kids came to see me recently, and I'd like to make some folio type little mini albums, something small for them with pictures of the trip. So you'll see me working on that by getting the photographs and deciding exactly how I was going to make this project. And so now I'm going to show you some of the other projects that I worked on for the month. But before I get into that, I just want to tell you that the word of the month is prepare. That means to me in the beginning of the month, I prepare for what I hope to accomplish. For instance, if I want to make 6 mini albums, I will make 6 blank mini albums and have them all together. If I want to make 25 cards, I will cut card blanks and fold them and have them all together. So a good way for me to prepare is have the correct amount of items I hope to accomplish waiting for me, and that way I don't have to go back and make one mini album at a time. And it's a good way to keep track of what it is you want to do and get everything done. So I want to show you a little bit of what I made for this month. Now there are other videos on YouTube, but I'll show you real quick. So I think there is a walkthrough on this mini album on YouTube. This was using the Northern Lights paper, which is fabulous. It's a great wintertime paper, but it is not a Christmas paper. It's just winter. So that is on YouTube. I also made these holiday planners using that same paper, and it's simply just a place for you to plan your Christmas shopping based on the days, make lists of, who's naughty, who's nice. You could put coupons and things in here, and then there is also places for coupons and receipts in there. So that makes something great you can stick in your purse and go from there. I have Christmas ones and holiday ones. And using that same paper, I did a quick video on these bags, and I did a quick video on how to make the bags. So there are a couple of different versions, bags and the tags. So I'm happy that I got that done. I can either include these in my Etsy orders, or they're great for holiday gifts. These are December dailies that I made. They're two different styles. So this is like a mini album, but there are 24 pages in here, and the pages are 4 by 6. So it's a cute thing you can use as either a mini album or a December daily. And then this is a traveler's notebook that could be used as a December daily or a traveler's notebook. And there are also 24 pages. Actually, it's 24 pages, but you have the front and back cover. So there's 26 pages in here. And this one I added lots of little cards and stickers and whatever, but there's still a lot of room to add photographs or whatever you want to add to your December daily. So there are those 2 items, and these I made with 1 paper pad, so I'm going to do another one closer to Christmas. So there's that. This one I made 2 of these, and it's using this Christmas Pets paper pad. I had about 3 of those paper pads because I had 6 of each of a lot of the paper, and I tried to use as much paper as I could. It's a cute little mini album, if you have somebody who has a cat and a dog, or maybe even to your veterinarian's office. I've made ones in the past, one that is a cat mini album, one that's a dog mini album. Those are on my Etsy site if you want to go look at the link in the description box and go check those out, but that's using the same paper pad. I really loved this paper pad when I had gotten it, but now I'm just hoping I can finish it up. I'm done doing Christmas in July, but I saved the paper that I had to continue using it for Christmas items. I will make cards with it, but I'm not going to do that anymore in July. I'm done with Christmas. But it was nice to get a lot of this stuff out of the way for making things for Christmas. Now I can concentrate on just last minute things in November. So this one I love. I already done a video walkthrough on this, but I'll show you real quick. It's just a gatefold folio. It's not huge, but it was quick and easy, and it used 1 6x6 paper pad. That's why I have all of this cardstock just to match with it. But it's cute. It's a cute theme. It's got these drinks. It's got succulents. There's the fox and the bear. And my favorite, of course, is the sloth, because I have this guy who actually, by the way, came from just garland that I had purchased a couple of years ago. I don't know if they still have it in the stores this year, but I just pulled it off my garland and used that. So that's what I have for you for July's goal recap and August goal setting for my Crafty Goals collab. Thank you again, Amalia, for including me in this. And don't forget to check out all the other talented ladies in the description box below. Please subscribe. It really is a big help to me if you do subscribe. And if you get a chance, go check out my Etsy shop And don't forget to go to my Instagram account and check that out as well. So that's what I have for July. Thanks for watching.